Hey guys, MacHelp888 here, and today I'm going to show you how to get free ringtones onto your iPhone 3G, 3GS, and I think even the 4th generation iPhone. I'm not sure though. Okay, it's pretty easy. I'm just going to click on this one. So what you want to do is pick a song, any song, hit get info. Okay, this thing comes up, say summary, info, video, sorting, options, lyrics, artwork. So what I'm gonna do is, so what you want to do is click on options, click, check off start time and stop time. So I'm gonna do from there all the way to 15 seconds, easy. Okay, then click OK. So this is only Mac version, by the way. I don't know how to do it on Windows. I don't even have a Windows computer because I hate them. So anyways, you want to click OK, click Advanced up here, and click Create AAC version. Click OK, and there you go. You have it right there. Okay, now drag this over a little bit, and then just drop this right there, right onto your desktop. Now what you want to do is you're going to change it. See, it says M4A. You're going to change it to M4R. Press enter. There you go. You got it. Okay. Whoops. Before you drag it into iTunes, go back and right here, the one that you just created, you want to click delete. Remove this. Move to trash, empty trash. Now take this, and if you never downloaded a ringtone or made a ringtone, just drag it over to library and you'll see that little bell and ringtones. Drop it in, it will copy there, and right there, there you go, you have it. Oh yeah, by the way, you also want to go back to your song that you just adjusted, click get info again, and unclick stop time. Okay, and that's it. See you later.